I remember years ago someone told me I should take caution when it's come to love. I did. And you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there's nothing to say. You have gone and so effortlessly. You had won, you can go ahead, tell them all I know. Now shoot it from the rooftop, where it's on the skyline. Oh, my head is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. Impossible, impossible, impossible.